Welcome back to the series of Incredible Bharat, truly presented by GrowthBiz. Today we will talk about red chili powder. Red chili powder is a vibrant aromatic spice made from dried and ground red chilies, a staple in global cuisines, particularly in Indian, Mexican, and Asian dishes. It adds heat, flavor, and color to a variety of recipes. Known for its pungency and vibrant red hue, red chili powder is not only a flavor enhancer but also a source of key nutrients. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, capsaicin, iron, and potassium. India is the largest producer and exporter of red chili powder. Key states are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Telangana. India dominates global exports, catering to Europe, the USA, and Asia. United States is the one of the largest consumers of red chili powder. Red chili powder contains to hold a vital place in global spice trade, cherished for its versatility, flavor, and nutritional richness. Stay tuned for more updates.